I'm here in front of the church of San Marcello al Corso. It's one of the oldest churches on the Via del Corso. The original church was built in the 4th century on the site believed to be where Pope Marcellus I was imprisoned and forced into labor for clashing with Emperor Maxentius. That church burned down, and this one was rebuilt in the 16th century. The richly decorated Baroque façade was completed in 1692 by architect Carlo Fontana, blending drama and harmony. Inside, you'll find a wooden crucifix believed by many Romans to be miraculous. During the plague of 1522, the crucifix was carried in a procession across the city, a 16-day trek that was credited with ending the epidemic. Since then, the crucifix has become an object of veneration, and it was even displayed in St. Peter's Square during the COVID-19 pandemic in 2020. The church's interior also features frescoes and chapels by artists like Pietro da Cortona, Peruzzi, and Jacopo Sansovino. The square itself is quiet and almost hidden, making it a peaceful detour from the crowds just blocks away. The church is a powerful example of how faith and art have carried Rome through its darkest chapters, from plague to fire to modern crisis. I hope you enjoyed the beautiful interior of the church of San Marcello al Corso.